Hello, and welcome back to our weekly recap. This week we have 7 new countries and their amazing food. We start with Denmark. We then travel to Malaysia, Italy, Australia, Spain, Brazil, and finally Guatemala. Don't forget to subscribe to get to know more world foods and check out our daily shorts. Random World Foods, Day 8, Smørrebrød, Denmark. This is a traditional Danish open-faced sandwich, typically served on rye bread. Known for its beautiful presentation and delightful combination of flavors, it features a variety of toppings such as pickled herring, cold cuts, cheeses, and garnishes like fresh herbs and vegetables. Day 9, Nasi Kerabu, Malaysia. This is a vibrant Malaysian dish celebrated for its unique blend of flavors and textures. It features blue rice, traditionally tinted with butterfly pea flowers, and is typically served with a variety of fresh herbs, vegetables, fried fish or chicken, and a rich, spicy coconut sauce. Day 10, Lampredotto, Italy. Lampredotto is a traditional Florentine street food made from the fourth stomach of a cow, slow-cooked in a seasoned broth. Typically served in a crusty roll with green sauce, salsa verde, and spicy red sauce, it is beloved for its rich, robust flavors and tender texture. Day 11, Kangaroo Tail Soup, Australia. Kangaroo Tail Soup is a lesser-known traditional Australian dish that offers a unique taste of Australia's culinary heritage. Made by simmering kangaroo tail to tender perfection, this hearty soup features a rich, flavorful broth infused with vegetables and spices. Day 12, Calçots, Spain. Calçots are a type of sweet onion similar to scallions or spring onions, but with a milder flavor. They are typically grilled over an open flame until charred and tender, then served with a romesco sauce made from tomatoes, peppers, nuts, and olive oil. Day 13, Acarajé, Brazil. This is a beloved Brazilian street food from Bahia. Features deep-fried black-eyed pea fritters filled with shrimp, creamy vatapa paste, and flavorful caruru condiment with okra and shrimp. This dish embodies the rich culinary heritage of the region with its crispy texture and savory flavors. Day 14,
Kak'ik,
Guatemala. This is a traditional Guatemalan dish renowned for its rich flavors and cultural significance. It is featuring tender turkey simmered with local spices, tomatoes, tomatillos, and a hint of mint. Served with corn tortillas, it offers a rich taste of Guatemala's culinary heritage.